Hi students, this is Deepak Arya from Cambridge School. Well, I'm gonna elaborate the fourth chaupai of Sri Hanuman Chalisa, which is Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ki Sangi. Beautiful linings are there. Let me elaborate it. Let me explain it properly. Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi means just imagine the figure of Hanumanji. He is superhero. Not only superhero, he is superhero. Just imagine. After imagining, you'll be getting all the powers of Hanumanji. Like as you go to the movie house to see the action movie, you might have noticed your gesture and posture. You come back home with the power. In the same way, you are advised to read Hanuman Chalisa, imagining the figure of Hanumanji, which is Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi, means Hanumanji is the supreme power, Superman, who is having extreme power. Just imagine. And his power is, and his presence is like the thundering and the lightning of the cloud. Most powerful. Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. These are beautiful words actually. Kumati and Sumati. Let me elaborate. Kumati and Sumati. That is, Kumati is associated with the dissatisfaction. What is dissatisfaction? We've got one house, I should buy another house. I've got one car, I should buy another car. And even we've got one has got one wife, one should go for another wife, like Ravana. He was having one wife, but he was desiring for another wife, and that became the cause of his death and destruction. So Kumati always comes in the form of glamour. And people, they take loan, extra loan, and they buy another house, they buy another car, and they go for glamour and other wrong things also. So mind it, Hanuman Chalisa is telling us Kumati Nivar Sumati Ki Sangi. Hanuman Chalisa is giving us the explanation about Kumati is associated with dissatisfaction. In the same way, Sumati is associated with satisfaction. But satisfaction doesn't at all mean that you won't be progressing. Moderate risk, moderate loan, and moderate life means Sumati. So Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. One who prays Hanumanji, so Hanumanji just kills his Kumati, means gives him the satisfaction. And one who prays Hanumanji, he practices meditation. He thinks about himself, what he's owing. He's got house, he's got car, he's got everything, whatever he's got, he becomes satisfaction, whatever the God gives him. This is all about Sumati. But Kumati is entirely different. You might have understood that thing. So the beautiful linings are there. Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Sangi. When you are imagining about Mahavir, the supreme power of and the figure of Hanumanji, so it simply gives you the Sumati, means it gives you the right thoughts, kills the ill thoughts. Ill thoughts means Kumati. Beautiful linings. Really very beautiful linings. You might have noticed, might not have noticed. I just humbly request you, try to notice and elaborate it in your mind. Just ponder it. It will be giving you multiple benefit. That's why I've been insisting you, requesting all the people to read Hanuman Chalisa very properly, calmly. Don't just go to the temple and speak very fast Hanuman Chalisa. Rather, understand Hanuman Chalisa, ponder it, explain it. Then you will get its multiple benefit. Thanks for listening to me. God bless you. Bye-bye.